Good evening, everyone. I will be conducting an experiment whereas I separate kerosene from water. So the materials I have is a funnel, a spoon for stirring, a jar in which I will mix the colored water, another jar with some kerosene and coloring, and I have the jar in which I will use to put both the kerosene and the water in to observe the separation. And here I have some water. So first I will get the container as labeled colored water, add half inside, as you can see. I will add a few drops of coloring. I color the water so that we can observe the separation due to the fact that kerosene and water is close to the same color. So when we color the water, we can clearly see the separation occurring. So now I pour the kerosene in the jar. Then I will pour the colored water in the jar. And we can observe in this experiment, look, here, we have the colored water here and we have the kerosene here. The kerosene, it came to the top separating. We can clearly see in the jar it's separated. So we have the colored water at the bottom and we have the kerosene at the top. This happens because kerosene is a very dense, it is less dense than water. We're observing as we mix it. We're mixing the kerosene and the colored water together, and we allow it to rise. And we observe it is being separated. So the water is at the bottom, and the kerosene is separating, and it's being at the top. So we'll observe for about a minute until it is fully separated. So now we will take the funnel, and we have our kerosene jar. We also have our colored water jar. So now our task, our objective is to separate both. And the cup in the jar, we have the kerosene at the top and the colored water at the bottom. So now we're gonna take our jar and pour. We're gonna take this jar and pour it in the kerosene. Since the kerosene is at the top, we pour the kerosene first. So we gently pour it. We do not allow the other mixture the colored water to mix with it. Okay. And now we have the colored water. So we add what we have, the remaining, into the colored water jar. This was successfully done. We have the kerosene separated and we have the colored water back at its original state. Thank you.